In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a caption to an image in Google Docs. We'll keep things simple and clear, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to place text under an image, to label it, explain it, or just make your document look more professional. Let's start with the basic idea. Google Docs doesn't have a special built-in caption button like some other programs do. Instead, you create a caption by placing text directly underneath your image. It's straightforward, and once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. First, you need to insert the image you want to caption. Open your Google Docs document and move your cursor to the spot where you want the image to appear. Then go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Image, and pick where your picture is coming from. You can upload from your computer, search the web, pull it from your drive, or use any of the other options you see. Select your image and it will appear right in your document. Once the image is in place, take a moment to adjust it if you need to. You can click on the image to resize it using the blue handles around the corners, or use the alignment options in the toolbar to center it, left align it, or right align it. It's a good idea to get the image roughly where you want it before you add the caption, so the text sits neatly underneath. Now that your image is inserted, the next step is to create space for the caption directly below it. Click once on the image so your cursor appears right next to it or just under it, then press enter on your keyboard. This moves the typing cursor to a new line just below the image, giving you a blank line where your caption will go. If your cursor doesn't seem to move below the image, click slightly under the picture and press enter again until you see a clear text line under it. With that new line in place, you're ready to type your caption text. Click on the empty line under the image and start typing whatever description or label you want. This might be something simple like Figure 1, sales chart for Q1, or a short sentence explaining what the image shows. The key is that this text is directly under the image, so anyone reading your document can immediately connect the two. After you've typed your caption, you can format it so it stands out as a caption rather than regular body text. While this isn't a separate step, it's a useful touch. Highlight the caption text and use the toolbar to change the font size, make it italic, or slightly dim the color. Some people like to center the caption to match a centered image, or use a smaller font to keep it subtle. You can also add a label like figure or image at the beginning if your document is more formal or academic. That's all there is to it. You insert the image, create a line below it by pressing enter, and then type the caption text on that new line. Once you've done this for one image, you can repeat the same approach for any others in your document.